Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I am going to be talking about all of my favorite products from E.L.F. So E.L.F. is definitely a very affordable brand all over the world. Here in Australia, we can get it from Kmart, and I have some E.L.F. products that I hate. And I have some E.L.F. products that I love, and those are the products we're going to be talking about today. So I want to mention the E.L.F. eyelid primer. I just have the sheer skin color one. Basically, it's really great just to even out the skin tone on your eyelids, pop on some powder, and go in with your eyeshadows. I think it's really good. It makes your eyeshadows last pretty well, better than some other ones I've tried from the drugstore, but definitely not as good as some high-end ones, but you know, you get what you get. But yeah, I think it's really good for the price. Next is one of the E.L.F. long-lasting lustrous eyeshadows. I have the shade Soiree, and it is basically just a little pot eyeshadow. It is so gorgeous. It's just a beautiful super color for your lids. It's really pretty. They have some amazing colors, and I really love it. It's beautiful. It lasts so well. It's just wonderful. I really like it. What else can I say? It lasts well. It looks pretty. There you go. Next is a half and half one for me, and that is the E.L.F. eyebrow kit. I do not at all like the gel in it. It's shit, but the powder I really like, and I have the shade medium. But yeah, it's a half and half. I don't like this gel, but this brow powder is really nice, and it's the only brow powder I ever use because it's the only one that actually looks decent that is from the drugstore, because I can't afford high-end brows. But this gel pomade thing, shit, this powder, awesome. And for the price, I'm happy to just buy it for one of the shades. I have the hydrating under eye primer. For someone with dry skin like myself, this one is awesome. Just to pop under your eyes, massage in, let it soak in. It keeps your under eyes nice and hydrated, so that way, you know, your concealer, your foundation, your powder isn't going to look so cakey and wrinkled and disgusting. But yeah, I really like this. It's really nice. It's so soothing and smooth, and it makes your under eye makeup look so much more alive, and it stays like that for a long time. It's long lasting. It's a really nice product from E.L.F. I really recommend this one. And another face product from E.L.F. is this foundation. I think it's the Flawless foundation. It doesn't say it on the packaging, which is annoying. I just know I have the shade Porcelain. But yeah, this is a really good foundation. I absolutely love it. It's a perfect color. It blends well. It lasts long. It doesn't oxidize. It's really beautiful, and it's in a decent glass bottle. So go E.L.F. I think it's like $12 to $15 at Kmart. I'm not quite sure, but I really do like this. It's really decent for what it is. It's so good. I mean, it's not like a super high-end expensive foundation. It's not going to perform the same way, but for the price and the way it performs, it's spot on. So good. It's really decent. It really goes well with me, for my skin anyway. It does a great job, so I really like that one. The E.L.F. matte lip crayons. They're only a few dollars. I can get them at Kmart, and I do have 3 of the shades. I have Tea Rose, Natural, and Rich Red, and they are basically a matte lip crayon. They're all very long lasting. They stay quite matte on your lips. The colors are really nice. They're very comfortable to wear. And yeah, they're a great product from E.L.F. and I just love them. And you guys should actually try them out because they're not too expensive. And one of the coolest things about these products is that, yes, the tip will die down eventually. It's going to not keep that sharp point that you can use around the edges, but it actually, if you take off the little color that's on the end, it has a sharpener in it. How awesome is that? You can always keep the point. It's awesome. You've got little sharpeners, and you could use it for other products if you really wanted to. And last but certainly not least, I have E.L.F. blushes. I have 5 of these things because E.L.F. do pretty good blushes. My favorite one is Mellow Mauve, and it is a mauvey sort of blush. But yeah, they have really nice blushes. So good. Just get E.L.F at Kmart. The ones all I have are all like pretty nudie sort of ones. This one doesn't have a name on it, so I can't really tell you what that one is. It's like Peachy Keen. Some Candid Coral. And this is a jewel toned one in Pink Passion. So yeah, all these E.L.F blushes, they blend well, they have a decent enough pigment, but it's not too overly pigmented where you're just going to have a big streak of colour on your face. They're just beautiful blushes for the price. So yeah, definitely I'll go check them out. So yeah, those are my favourite products from E.L.F. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys!